bridge.
That pass in the night, we both smile and we say it's alright.
See?
It's just the wind of the sun, like those ships that pass in the night. Ano na yun? Turuan na yan eh. Oo.
Magulat din na lang yun.
Followed by a right turn.
Where the sea meets the sky, there's another that hides far behind. It seems you and I are strangers and wide ways apart. As we drift on through time.
Approaching right turn. Approaching right turn. Approaching right turn.
Talagang right talaga, talagang right.
Oo. We're two ships that pass in the night.
11 minutes.
11 minutes na lang. So, it means makikita ko na ang Jollibee.
Approaching right turn.
This is the wheel of the sun.
Isa. Hello.
Lakas mo yung kanta mo sa in the night. Loud. The ships that pass in the night.
Hello. Bakit ang gwapo-gwapo mo? Ding ding. Ay na, excited na kami sa Jollibee.
Sabi doon mami, picture daw tayo dito eh.
Picture na kita. Sabihin mo sa mami mo, Mami, ang uso ngayon, video na. Video. Ito si... Bakit ka nagtatago?
Take niya cute siya, hindi naman.
No. We need to see. What is that? That's a train. Xylor, that's a choo-choo train. Brooklyn na pala. Oh, doon na pala. Dito na pala ang Brooklyn. Oh.
Approaching freeway entrance on the right.
Kanin ako dito.
Dito ka.
Sit here lying in my bed, wondering what it was
nabayaan mo. Stop, kaya nandyan na.
When I knew I lost
Xylord, stop.
my